Imagine you conquer the world, not with brute force, but with effortless grace. You traverse any terrain, not in defiance, but in serene confidence. This is the power of evolution. This is the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2. A legend refined, an icon reborn. The exterior boasts a bolder presence. New illuminated Pantheon grille sets the tone, while sharper lines evoke a sense of power and purpose. Yet the iconic silhouette remains instantly recognizable as a Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce understands that true luxury is not about ostentation, but about effortless elegance. The Cullinan Series V is a statement piece, but one that whispers rather than shouts. And then there's the paint. Behold, embroidered truffle. Inspired by the finest marble, it adds a touch of understated sophistication, a conversation starter for the discerning few. Step inside and prepare to be enveloped in a world of unparalleled luxury. The cabin is a symphony of bespoke touches, tailored to your every desire. Technology dances with tradition. The new Spirit interface keeps you effortlessly connected, while the Whispers app, a Rolls-Royce exclusive, grants you access to a world of curated experiences. Rolls-Royce never forgets its heritage. The spirit of ecstasy takes center stage in the all-new clock cabinet vitrine, a constant reminder of the brand's unwavering pursuit of excellence. The dedication to detail is unparalleled. Sustainable luxury takes center stage with the duality tool seating, crafted from bamboo-derived rayon. Testament to Rolls-Royce's commitment to innovation and environmental consciousness. Even the perforations on the leather seats tell a story. Inspired by the clouds over the home of Rolls-Royce at Goodwood, each hole is meticulously placed, a work of art in itself. On the road, the Cullinan Series A is a masterpiece of engineering. The legendary twin-turbo V12 engine delivers effortless power, propelling you forward with a sense of serene confidence. Yet, it's not just about raw power. The Cullinan Series A is designed to cosset you in a cocoon of tranquility. Advanced noise cancellation technology ensures a library-quiet cabin, allowing you to focus on the journey, not the engine. Whether you're conquering mountains or cruising the coast, the Cullinan Series A adapts to your needs. It's a versatile companion, as comfortable traversing city streets as it is exploring remote landscapes. The Cullinan Series A is more than just a car, it's an extension of your personality. With the Bespoke program, the possibilities are endless. Choose from a kaleidoscope of colors, exotic veneers, and exquisite leathers. Our Bespoke specialists are artisans, guiding you through the process to create a Cullinan that is as unique as you are. From a starlight headliner that mimics the night sky to a hidden humidor for your favorite cigars, no request is too extravagant. Let your imagination run wild. The Cullinan Series A is more than just a vehicle, it's a legacy. It's a car that will be passed down through generations, a symbol of your success and your discerning taste. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2, where opulence meets evolution. Experience the thrill of effortless power. The Cullinan Series A boasts a state-of-the-art all-wheel drive system that anticipates and adapts to any terrain. Whether it's loose gravel, snow, or pavement, the Cullinan delivers a sure-footed and confident driving experience. But it's not just about raw power. The Cullinan Series A is designed to cosset you in a cocoon of tranquility. Advanced noise cancellation technology ensures a library-quiet cabin, allowing you to focus on the journey, not the engine. Whether you're enjoying a lively conversation with your passengers or simply basking in the serenity of the moment, the Cullinan provides the perfect environment. The Cullinan Series C is more than just a car. It's a mobile office, a rolling entertainment center, and a haven of tranquility, all rolled into one. With its advanced technology and unmatched comfort, it seamlessly adapts to your needs. The Cullinan Series A is more than just a car, It's a blank canvas for your creativity. With the Bespoke program, the possibilities are endless. Choose from a kaleidoscope of over 44,000 paint colors, including unique options like Tempest Gray or Sunrise Pink. Explore a world of exotic veneers, from the warmth of Santos rosewood to the striking contrast of smoked oak. Our Bespoke specialists are artisans, guiding you through the process to create a Cullinan that is as unique as you are. Imagine a starlight headliner that mimics the night sky on your favorite concert tour, or a hidden compartment specifically designed to house your prized music collection. That's incredible. And what about the sound system? Can we take it a step further? Of course, we offer a bespoke audio system specifically tuned for the Cullinan's interior. Imagine experiencing your music with the same clarity and precision you hear in the recording studio. From a hidden humidor for your favorite cigars to a bespoke sound system that rivals a recording studio, no request is too extravagant. Let your imagination run wild and create a Cullinan that reflects your passions and personality. The Cullinan Series E is more than just a vehicle, it's a legacy. It's a car that pays homage to Rolls-Royce's rich heritage, a brand synonymous with luxury and innovation for over a century. Imagine this very car becoming a cherished family heirloom, passed down through generations, a symbol of your success and your discerning taste. The Cullinan Series A takes its place in a lineage of automotive excellence. It's a car that embodies the best of Rolls-Royce's past, present, and future. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2, where opulence meets evolution. Legacy Reborn.